Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games easy and quick. First I will show you the problem. The problem is when you click on it here it says running and then it went back to launch, and now I will show you how to fix it. It's easy, just open this one here and then type Windows Update and click the first one, Windows Update Settings, and now on Siri here just click check for updates, and then just wait for it, and then if you find any update just update your Windows. And if you can't find any update and that doesn't help you to fix your problem, just open your file explorer and then go to documents and then my games, and here all you need to do just you will find it like that. Wait, you will find it like that here. Just click on it and then click rename, and wait, click rename and then type old or type anything you want, and then go to Epic Games, click on your profile settings, and here we'll find enable cloud saves. Make sure it's turned off. If maybe you'll find it like that, then just click on it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.